What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for watching the Driver's Channel. We're here at Clean Culture here in Virginia. We're waiting at the gate to get in at Dominion Raceway. This should be a good one. Stick around, hit that sub button, and I'll see you guys in there. The event starts in about an hour, but it's already looking like a really good turnout. Check these out. The wide body on this red one is insane. Look how wide this thing is. It's crazy. Got the intercooler, the oil cooler. I feel like it's rare to see oil coolers like that these days. Carbon everywhere. Wheels are crazy. Oh, it's a Street Hunter kit? No way. That's a clean little lip off the roof there. I need to find something like that for my car. That'd be clean. I like how you did the carbon, a little bit of exposed right there. Good for you. The Meisties though, these are some good wheels. I really need air in my life. Fenders everywhere. These stickers are sweet. I got a women's Beamer club. Kind of cool. M3 is gorgeous. Big money right here. All the carbon in there.
Already locked that one in there.
But wait, this thing gets even crazier. Orange interior with the orange belts. Roll cage in there. Good Lord. Incredible. X-Drive too. Got the carbon hood up there. Oh man. Then you got that fuchsia one. BC forged in there. Carbon roof. Goals right here. Look at that. The Civic is sweet. Wide body. Wheels are crazy. The bay is crazy. The mirrors are crazy. This is super clean though. One of my favorite V-dubs right here. So I think it started as an R32. Got the air set up with the L7 in there. Beautiful gray. I love these wheels on air. Already showed you guys that. Just a simple, good interior. Can we skip to the good part? Yeah. And he's got the front end swap from the Jetta. The intercooler down there. The tint on the headlights. Spicy 335i. 335IS, excuse me. My boy ain't playing around. Carbon hood, mirrors. Just a good interior. Ooh, got the carbon trunk with the lip. Got the tire on there so you know he's serious. It's really cool being at the event before it opens. Minimal foot traffic around here makes it easier to get you guys some better content. Trackhawk is crazy. Check this thing out, guys. Got the dump right behind the wheel right there. Speed locks. Twin turbos. Jay-Z sounded super good. Look at this. Must be nice, man. Looks like my boy's even pulling out some of the interior. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you've been seeing this car around, but it used to be red. He just wrapped it this new yellow. The red was hard to top, but this looks really good. Check this Corolla out. That's wild. The purple's sweet though. Gold GTR. I don't think the camera's gonna do this color justice, but it's pretty crazy. Jesus. Sounds so good. Woo! Oh, oh! Always cool to see these guys out. Love the carbon hood on there. The LMs. R33. Mark IV Targa. Yo, these have back seats too. Why did I forget that these have back seats? I guess I'm so used to mine. Oh. I'm looking forward to seeing these cars get out there. Never seen this engine before. Interesting. Turbo's still spinning. I don't know if y'all can see that. I feel like you don't see an aired out Type R that often. I'm feeling it though. I don't know what these wheels are, but they look good. Yes, sir. I love what they did with the new Type R. The old Type R is cool too, but the new one is so clean. Check my boy out. Front bumper hanging. Back bumper barely hanging on. That's a wild life right there.